What's the meaning of barman? Barman. Barman.
Barman. Barman. A barman is the person responsible for serving drinks behind a bar in a pub, nightclub, or restaurant. They are typically skilled at mixing cocktails and pouring beers, and are often responsible for managing the stock of drinks and keeping the bar clean and tidy. A good barman is also adept at engaging customers in conversation, making recommendations, and ensuring that everyone has a good time. The role is one of the most important in the hospitality industry, as the barman is often the first point of contact for customers and sets the tone for their experience in the venue.